fantastic. What a way to scoring from a corner, and then a counter-attack at the end, finished by Wang. Absolutely fantastic. Man United players are trudging off the pitch. They've lost again, they've lost their magic. And the Wolves players, we're out the relegation zone and we're moving forward. Come on, there's Doherty. Hey, here they come. Hey, absolutely brilliant. Absolutely fantastic. Totti's had an absolutely brilliant game. Bellegarde. There's Rodrigo who came on and did his job. Andre. Saar made a couple of crucial saves. Dawson's over there, absolutely loving it. Fantastic, and there's in the middle of the pitch. Where's he off? Oh, here we go, down to the north back. This is what it's all about. Tommy Doyle and Dawson. Oh, absolutely fantastic. Oh, Vitor Pereira. Oh, Vitor Pereira. Here he comes. Vitor's going to the north back now. Fantastic, absolutely brilliant. Going to the north back. Here he goes. Goal! Goal! Hey! Loving it. There you go. Come on, Wanderers.